Hi, I'm Pamela from Content Clarity, and in this video I'm going to be talking you through the mistakes that you're making with your hashtags so that you can change them and start getting that reach that you deserve. Welcome to my channel, a channel where you can learn all about content marketing tips for your business so you can grow and scale it with ease online. Now back to hashtags. So what are the mistakes that you are making with hashtags? I see this all the time with my clients, with my students, anybody that I speak to, and it is the common misconception that they should be aiming for the biggest hashtags that they can find. Let's say, for example, you want hashtag CEO. Well, hashtag CEO has millions on Instagram, millions of posts against it. Now, it's so fast paced, that means when you post your image to hashtag CEO, it's immediately getting buried by all these other posts that are immediately getting posted seconds, minutes after you. So then the chance to actually get that audience to see your post is gone in an instant, right? Also, the opportunity of actually appearing in the sort of top 9, top 12 of that hashtag and appearing in the Explore page, again, is completely vanished, right? So you need to start thinking smaller. I know it might sound a little bit counterintuitive, but this is exactly where you're going wrong. You need to start to think about it as, how can I get people to see this? Not how can I get everybody in the world to see it, okay? So I want you to start thinking about your business and thinking about who it is that you're trying to attract to your posts. What is your post about? And start to do some hashtag research. Now, I use a tool called Tech, and I absolutely swear by it. Now, it is a fantastic tool. It not only helps me find hashtags for my own account, but also for those of my clients. It is absolutely fantastic. It tracks insights. It tells you how many hashtags you showed up for in the top 9 and top 25. So all this research and measuring and monitoring is completely done for you, right? So if you're not already using it, go and check it out. There will be a free trial that you can use. So go and check it out. It will take it all completely away from you. Now, what you are trying to look for when it comes to a hashtag is hashtags that you can show up in the top 9 or top 25 for on Instagram, so that you will show up in the Explore page where people will see your post, visit your account, and then follow you, right? So stop looking for those massive hashtags and start to look for smaller ones. Use Tech, it will help you. The second mistake that people are making with hashtags on Instagram is putting them in the comments section. Now, this year, Instagram came out themselves and said, put them in the captions. So when Instagram tells you to put them in the captions, where do you think you should put them? Captions or comments? Absolutely captions, right? So start putting them in the captions if you are not already doing so. Another mistake that people are making with hashtags is just going too vague, right? Instagram again has come out and said that you should be using anywhere between 5 and 7 hashtags, and they change this number all the time. They came from 30 down to 11 down to 5 and 7. So if Instagram is telling you that's the magic number, guess how many you should be using. I'm still seeing people in the feed sharing 30 hashtags in their posts. It is just going to make you look really spammy to Instagram. Now, the reason why they came down from 30 to 5 to 7 is to try and reduce this spam effect, because it's becoming sort of unmonitorable, making up words, to make sure that everything that is posted using a certain hashtag is actually relevant. So they want to start seeing relevant content showing up in those hashtags, and a way to get them to do that is to get you to restrict the amount of hashtags that you are using. This means that you will stop using things like hashtag Monday motivation, hashtag Monday quote, and start using hashtags that are actually relevant to what you've just posted and relevant to your business or relevant to the audience that you are trying to attract to your account. So keep that in mind when you're doing your hashtag research and looking for those smaller sized hashtags. Now, when people say to me, well, what size of hashtag should I be looking for? It's all relevant to your account, right? Everybody is going to have a different number. If you've got a brand new account, you're going to be looking for hashtags that maybe have like 500, 1,000 tops in there, right? Just to know that, okay, at what number roughly can I guarantee that I'm going to show up in the top 9 or top 25? If you've got a huge account, 50,000, 100,000, you can shoot for the stars, right? You can pick the hashtags that are like 50,000 strong or 100,000 strong. But again, there's nothing stopping you using that logic of thinking, well, hang on a minute, I can still get seen by, 50 great people in a hashtag where there's only 100 people using it, and actually get 50, and dominate that hashtag. There's nothing stopping you do that. And I've seen that happen a lot of the time. Sometimes you find a great hashtag that's quite small, you think that's great, and this massive account is dominating it, and you're like, damn it, there's no way I'm going to be able to top that person showing up. So again, think about it, try it and work out, monitor it, use Flick Tech to see what's your golden number, right? What is that number where you can kind of roughly guarantee that you're going to be showing up in that sort of top 9 spot, top 25 spot. And that's just a rough rule of thumb as well, obviously, because every hashtag is going to be different. It very much depends on how many people are using it already, the size of the account of people that are using it already, and how often people are posting to it daily. But it is a general rule of thumb. If you've liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will be back again soon with another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.